Meanwhile, travel to Tanzania with me.
Good morning, Tanzania, Arusha. Look at us all used to being in the bush now. Lights are out, but we ain't skip a beat. Look, we know how to, she in there brushing her teeth in the dark. We know how to open the curtains, let a little bit more light in. We got rid of our friend Arnold. We named him the slug. We got rid of Arnold the slug. You know, we be making ourselves at home. No lights. No problem, man. Wait, is that Jamaica? We good. Good morning, babies. See y'all when we head out for breakfast. Today is going to be an exciting day. We are taking a 2-mile trek one way, then maybe 2 miles back because there's a vehicle that can take us back. However, some of us got to start walking back because he has to make 2 trips. So there, back is 4 miles altogether, and then we will be taking you to a beautiful hot spring here in Africa. See y'all later. Breakfast is ready. Let's see what it is. This is probably toast in here. Yep, toast. We got the jams and the butters and the tea and the coffee and ooh, yummy eggs and some chicken sausage, pineapple. Is that papaya? It looks like papaya. It looks extra orange this morning and watermelon. Yay, looks like I'm the first person out of the house. But I also have a bag of laundry. So they're going to do some laundry today. And it's going to hang out to dry. So let's see. Let me go give it to her. No. Good morning. How are you?
Good. How about you?
I'm well, thank you. Yeah. Camera.
Good morning, everyone. We're taking a morning walk to Hashima
Yes.
which is about almost two miles or 2 kilometers. I can't remember which one from here. And we're going to enjoy this walk. It's a beautiful, overcast, cloudy day, and it's cool, and we're just going to have a good time.
Yes.
Yeah, wish y'all were here.
Yes.
Y'all be here next time.
Yes.
Yes. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Charlotte, so I just
Starting
curious
our
because
walk,
his
y'all.
leg is still hurting. So
Yeah.
are they taking the car or not? Then no one's taking the car.
Well, he's coming.
Oh, he's coming.
This is
Yeah.
Azari.
You want to go with him?
Look, Azari
Whatever.
and
Yeah, I
Amari.
should go with it. Yeah.
Look at them.
So we'll wait 20 minutes and then go.
Twins.
Yeah,
Why
I
do I have my
he's gonna
bonnet
be
on?
in 20 minutes.
Why?
Doesn't want
You
to
said
sleep now.
he'll get there before us.
I don't care. Whatever.
Oh my
Forgive my
goodness.
crazy sister. Forgive my crazy
Look, you
sister.
can put your bonnet in her bag. Hold it.
I'll let him know.
Because you was going to stick it in the chair, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if it's in the bag,
You want to go?
you'll know where it is.
Whatever you want to do.
So we all walking.
I pray for a peaceful. Oh Lord, I pray for a peaceful walk. Okay.
Cool.
Have a great
We're
walk.
going up there.
Look at the 3 Ute. Gracias.
Wow, we're technically on the open. We're on the Ave. This the Ave. The Avenue.
This girl.
Together.
Y'all, this is Mama Jimmy. What? 81. And let me tell y'all, she hiked to the top of Mount Kilimanjaro. Yes. So she's hitting, and let me tell you, I gotta have a picture of her because she is going on my wall. Inspiration. They were amongst the first people, listen to me, amongst the first to come and make a home on the continent.
We'll say that.
I'm going to say that because I'm going to say this was in the 70s, right? And I said now, hold on, I'll talk to y'all later.
Yeah. I can tell who's talking. I can tell which one. Well, you know that's him saying me, but he's not finished yet. And look what this says. Who is that?
Joshua
Said, you don't have to play masculine to be a strong woman. Women are never stronger. Yeah, he said than when they arm themselves with their weaknesses. The king may rule the kingdom, but it is the queen who moves the board. Ooh. He made that up himself. And then these, of course, it's about women having freedom to do whatever. I'm not sure why they got on the COVID mask. But I'm asking.
maybe because it was the time, the period when he did it.
No, he did this recently.
Oh,
you might have to speak on that. I want to remember to ask him why they have the COVID mask. And then this one, he said he was expressing the beauty of African women. So that's what that is. Somebody
Nice.
marked on it. They must want to be an artist.
So positive.
That's funny. Yeah. But I say that because think about how many of us want to travel to countries in Africa and we're like, it doesn't feel like it's easy. I know I've said it. Where it's like, it doesn't feel easy. Jumbo.
Yes.
So attentive. Yeah. But they did it in the 70s where if you think it's not easy now, imagine then. I can't even. You're a pioneer. Just pioneer. So, yeah. Inspiration.
Pioneer, call it crazy.
Brave. I call it brave.
Okay, bravery.
Yes, brave. And her husband did it with 2 young kids.
My daughter couldn't make it.
One's right there.
She's in college.
Timberly.
Hi.
Yeah, she actually went to school here in Tanzania, in elementary school.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Yeah. So there's nothing I can't do.
It really is.
There really isn't.
It's the mind anyway, the blockage.
Yes, there's always a way. There's nothing we can't do. There's always a way.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're taking this 2-mile walk.
I guess they figure that you must look down all the time.
Yeah, and we're just walking. I'm just realizing we don't even have a leader. She turned off.
Oh, she did.
Yeah, she went that away with the
Yeah, she went to talk to somebody or see something.
Yeah.
Oh.
So.
Look at their chickens or something.
But yeah, so okay, y'all. Talk to y'all later.
Bye.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, those mountains Gotcha.
traditionally use it for an antiseptic. There's some right there. See those little yellow balls?
Okay.
Yeah, they get bigger than that.
Oh.
Yeah.
So Indulele,
There's a lot of plants like
it can be used as antiseptic.
comes in pink and yellow, and you can boil that, and it's good for respiratory ailments.
Oh.
And they just go.
You can boil these. It comes in pink and yellow.
For free, you can pick up the tree. And
And boil
they are
it, and it's
charging us in
good.
America crazy prices. You can just get it here in Africa.
Yeah, so it's good for respiratory issues.
We are going on our morning walk.
Going on our morning walk, our hike.
All the director is at the compound. We gotta shoot day 3 of my video.
Oh, I already know what you was talking about. I'm like, the director. The director of what? This is what I'm saying with this girl. Day 3 of her video. Yes. What is this for? A poem?
Yes. I'm about to show you this man is dead, girl.
All life we was trapped to die in a system designed to never let us succeed. Different skin tones and colors, but we all bleed. My country, tears of thee. Man, I'm sick of the bullshit. I'm feeling like a purge coming and I need a full clip. Watching my city change to best fit the needs of our lighter skin residents. I mean, I'm not gonna fake like I wasn't pressed to have a black president. But it's all clear and evident who's still in control. Puppets politicking, protecting their role. This land stole from my forefathers. Black men don't be upset because I chose
Girl.
their fathers.
He shot the video for me. Oh, I got them fly. I said, you know what? I don't have a lot of money. I have this Gucci shirt. What?
I love it. I love it. So what are you doing on day 3 of the direct?
I need the kids. I need to have a lot of people, like a lot of kids, like community.
Okay.
And then that'll be the last scene. I'm gonna put my lashes on for that scene. I'm gonna dress like a queen, like, you know?
This one, she is not playing. She said, we are here and I'm going to make the most of all of it.
I need black girls ain't got rhythm in the background. Need like somebody reading that on the stoop. You know what I'm saying?
Girl, you are hilarious.
We have to keep each other uplifted, man. So here we are in the cornfield. This is amazing. I'm so happy I met you. Honestly.
Wow.
Don't this remind you of the color purple though?
It does.
When she said,
You told Hoppo to beat me. Girl, listen. But these colors against this brown skin is just everything.
I just feel like where are we heading? I just feel like we walk into the weeds.
I think you're better.
Yeah.
Either way.
See? Look at it. Yeah.
Help Mama, Tehran.
Mommy, just get on the rocks. Or just do what I did. I just jumped over here. Or just get on the rocks.
Okay.
And then it will slide you down anyway.
Thank you.
There you go.
Okay.
Ooh.
You okay, Lainey? What you step on? Oh. Okay. I'm sorry.
That wasn't you.
Thank you, babe. Okay. You got young, long legs, right?
Switch. I want to drop my key.
Yeah, or your phone. Okay.
Thank you.
A badger!
What is a badger? You know the badger? Animal words! So they brought the dog to kill it? I don't need the dog to kill it.
No, right
Scared
here.
me. When did you turn up?
Yeah. Y'all, look at what he got.
I want to go to Texas.
Wow.
He's telling them to stay.
What is that?
Brother, a bird's eye security.
Mommy, where are you?
You have the right shoes on. She has the right
Oh!
So much for help.
Come on, Ray! Oh my God! Come on!
Okay, oh. Okay, who else need help? Okay.
Oh, she said, I'm already wet now.
If you got boots on. Okay.
You're going to do it? You want to do it?
I can do it.
No, oh, my stuff.
All right. There. Okay, that's what we're talking about.
Shoes don't
Yeah.
Mama Jimmy, I'm surprised you didn't wear these shoes.
Just so long as the shoes
I bet y'all don't do that often.
Oh, she did it like a champion.
Bro, you okay?
You guys going?
There's got water. Really?
That last jump is slippery. The last rock is slippery. Yeah, you need to hold somebody's hand because it gets slippery. I'll get somebody right here. But it's by our house. Right, Elise, you got it. You got it. Come on. Oh, look at her with no hands.
So I didn't at first. You know, when they started happening like the mystic.
And look at the church.
I know.
Of what?
The ants.
And they're very painful, apparently. You have to jump over them.
Where are they?
They're right there. You have to walk into them. I know. You have to jump over them.
But where are they?
And there's a whole nother one. Wait, where? But they're kind of spreading out. Okay, I see.
I don't see them.
Right there. You see that?
Those clumpies? Oh. That's very... Oh, wow. Look at them.
Okay. There's more up there.
Are y'all talking about them?
Yes, they're very painful. More up there. Be careful. Good job. Good job.
The mother.
There's another line here.
Oh, wow. They are thick.
Yeah, I got one on my foot. They're under. Oh, they on my boots. I'm messing with you.
All right, so we are here, y'all.
Joshua did this like in the Bailey time.
I love this stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, he's good. So, oh shoot.
They on you?
It's one on me. The same thing happened.
Where?
Get it off.
Pick up her bag.
Pick up her bag.
Oh, shake it out. I see it.
Oh, you do?
I do. Let me get it.
This is scary. No, it's just the way her
I got it.
hand is like.
Let's make sure he's dead. He's dead. Hold on. Let me. You see this? Check your shoes. All right, he's gone. He's gone. Yep.
Oh, Lord.
Are you okay?
To warn y'all.
You okay, Mama C?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Oh,
Right on the
Any on your leg?
oh, he just crawled up real
I
fast.
thought they moved.
Yeah.
It's gone.
Yeah.
I got bit in the movie and he kept filming.
And it was authentic.
That's dragging. That's what.
Oh, that's what it
Lift this
was.
up.
And then he just came
You're welcome. I ain't scared of no bugs. What we doing?
Same thing comes with something. Record them. My phone is out of storage.
I think I probably could suspend it on Chad. I'm Chad. My name is Chad. Hello.
Ow! Oh gosh.
Ow!
We were having a moment.
Oh, wait.
You got bit?
You got
Yeah. Ow!
bit? You twisted your ankle, or you getting bit?
No, I got bit.
Oh, I see it. Take, oh, wait. Oh, it's a lot of them. Hold on.
Oh, wait,
Be calm. Be calm.
Calm.
Be calm.
Pull them off. Pull them off. Pull your sock off. That wasn't a ant.
That was.
Something else got in there.
These are the ants.
Oh, they are?
I had to flip it off. Yeah.
Just that one?
Yeah. Okay. Is a trail up there? No.
It's on her shoelace. It's on her shoelace. On her shoelace.
Oh. So I want to do libations. Ooh, they are big.
This joint is like a blood sucker.
Oh, okay. Does anybody have any hydrocortisone or anything?
No, just have hand sanitizer.
Yeah,
That's
that'll
it.
It's alcohol.
Here we go.
Got it.
Yeah,
Here you go. Thank you, Tanisha.
Okay.
It's okay, babe. It's okay, babe. It's okay.
It's fine. She just got bit.
You're going to be fine.
It's okay.
You're gonna be fine. Breathe.
It's heaving.
It's like a strong mosquito bite. That's all.
Breathe.
It's not poisonous.
Breathe.
Y'all got bit?
Don't heave.
Yeah, one of the babies.
Breathe.
This one did.
Oh, so sorry.
Amari did.
Yeah, that's what I saw. That was his leg, whatever that was. Oh wait, we probably can't hug it because the ants.
Yeah, them ants are like, whoo. Yeah, them ants are no joke. One bit Mari and she was bleeding. Oh yeah, y'all know because I filmed it.
Oh, what's that over there?
Like some,
What are those?
they look like a mix between sheep. They kind of look sheepish.
Oh,
Because ghosts are usually a little straight haired.
I've known this.
Wow.
Whoa, that's huge, isn't it?
This tree is huge and ancient. And then y'all see the sheep back there.
That all of us are here and we're feeling the energy from the earth, and so many youth in the States, and I was looking at a video just the other night, they never get a chance to feel this energy from the earth, or even sit under a tree or hug a tree or any of that, and all that gives us energy. All of that is a blessing, huh? So we need to give the blessing back to the earth, huh? And we honor the air, we honor the earth and what's inside the earth, the molten lava or whatever's off in there, and honor the water and honor the
Fire ants.
fire ants. Because those are God's creatures too, huh? So we pour libations to the earth and to the ancestors, huh? And we can use water, we can use liquor, we can use milk, you can use whatever you want. And so many young people, when they're pouring waters to their homies who have passed on, they don't realize that we do that here in Africa. That's a part of our tradition, huh? And that's a tradition that we should embrace and that we should share. We should teach the other children about that, and even some of the adults have forgotten, huh? So I'm going to say a little of the libation in Yoruba, but most of us don't know Yoruba, so I'm also going to say it in English. And then after that, I'm going to do this gong. I call this gonging in the ancestors. And you are free to say out loud the name of the ancestors that you want to honor. It don't have to be a blood relative. It can be a freedom fighter in your community. It can be some of the elders or young people in your community. But the important thing is to say their names. You know, that's what we say. We say their names. Huh? Yes, and that indicates that you remember, right? And that you won't forget. And that helps to keep them alive. Huh? Spiritually alive. Huh? Only tutu. Ona tutu. Ile tutu. Tutu guru. Tutu our community. Keep our community cool and fresh and at peace. And we give thanks to the ancestors. Ai guru guru. And you can say Ashe.
Ashe.
If you want. Ashe is actually, that's how we say the power. Ashe is our power, but you know, in the diaspora, we changed some of the meaning of words. So we have made that a word that says Amen. You know, so Ashe to all of that.
Ashe.
Yes, Ashe. Yes, the ancestors will hear this vibration and they're going to smile. And I'll start with my mother and father and all of my ancestors, and then y'all can call out the names you want. Call them out. Sterling, Emmanuel Hill, Teresa Calzada, Garrett, all my aunts and uncles. All my ancestors.
Robert Davis, Mr. Nate, Eddie Resendez,
Well, of course, the white we use in a lot of our rituals. You know, sometimes you got dress in white and purity, and white actually encompasses all of the colors. Okay. Yes, yes, and so, and she's a mother. Okay. Well, we call her the mother tree, and that I think it's just pretty. You got fire? Yeah. Okay, yeah, you come this way, sister. Yeah. I gave him two. Yeah. So you come
Ali,
this way.
Mari, you come back this way, huh?
Kati.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. As-siratal mustaqim.
Don't nod it yet. Don't nod it yet. Don't nod it yet. Don't nod it yet. Hey.
This is real.
this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. I'm gonna let it shine. Don't you try to blow it out. I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
Will you all join me in a call and response?
Yeah.
So, I'm a member of an organization called ADASI, and it stands for the African Diaspora Ancestral Commemoration Institute.
Okay.
And this is one of the sayings that we have on our website. We, the survivors of the African Holocaust, the Mayafa, we stand firmly on the shoulders of our ancestors. And if you all will repeat after me, we must remember.
We must remember,
respect,
re-educate, re-examine, redeem, reaffirm, rebuild, repatriate, reclaim, rededicate, rethink, reunite, and rejoice. We are survivors.
Thank you. Does anybody else have something to say?
Still I rise.
Jimmy, sounds like you know them.
Just say something.
Still I rise, despite the lack of education my mama had. Still I rise, because I wish I just had 5 seconds to say hi, Dad. Still I rise, thanks to my daughter for making me know that a mother is the best gift that a mother could have. I wouldn't be headed to where I'm going if it wasn't for my past. Now I'm trying to explain to my daughters, you don't want to grow up fast. And the only way that you can keep your wisdom is by learning from our ancestors.
All right. Hey, that was one of your poems.
Yeah. You're a beautiful one. Wow. Yeah,
No worries today.
No worries today.
I refuse to worry about anything today.
I refuse to worry about anything today.
Worry only robs me of my joyful living.
Worry only robs me of my joyful living.
It has absolutely nothing to solve my problems.
It has absolutely nothing to solve my problems.
Whatever I ought to know, I will know.
Whatever I ought to know, I will know.
Whatever I ought to do, I will do.
Whatever I ought to do, I will do.
Whatever belongs to me will come to me.
Whatever belongs to me will come to me.
Therefore, I declare.
Therefore, I declare
Every step of my way.
every step of my way
Is guided and guarded.
is guided and guarded.
Ashe.
Ashe. So we're going to go on top.
Okay, be careful.
Okay.
Okay. So all y'all gonna be on top?
Yeah.
Now my brother.
Do you want to be on top?
This room on the floor.
No. Don't have time to explain to
We're going to ride up top.
But this is fiberglass. This isn't gonna hold everybody. Yeah, on the metal. Yeah.
What do you got us into?
They worry. Timberly, say hi to the camera. Hello.
Who's sitting in the front near Gabriel?
I'm just, part of the experience. I'm dressing up trees, honoring my ancestors, whatever it takes. Yes. I know. Thank you. All right.
Okay, we up here.
Just don't drive fast.
We up here.
I think I'm standing up here. Yeah.
You had to watch us.
We need our brother.
Okay.
You don't have to worry about the answer. Right?
Maybe.
Maybe right.
I know, because it's like if they fall from a tree.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, those ants. You know that's crazy, the way you can see them so prominently.
They're busy too.
And look, way over there you can see them.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the pipe right in the middle of the road. That's cool. All good, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Hot Springs. You guys are coming, right? Oh, okay.
You go to the mall?
The mall.
Oh, okay.
The mall's like not that far, right?
Right.
Ooh.
Yeah. There they are. You see them? Yeah, they're cropping up.
I believe on
Like, this is so much fun. Like, you could never do this in any other way. Nobody else is gonna let you get on a roof and ride.
You're saying like it's a good thing.
Yeah. Like, if you go, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, any other excursion or whatever, they'll be like, no.
They'd be like, no, we're not gonna get that lawsuit.
Yesterday we were out and I saw a motorbike, so it's a little better than a moped.
Yeah.
But it had 2 pieces of a sectional sofa on the back.
Oh, wow.
While he's driving.
Wow.
On top.
On top.
Literally.
She celebrated her 18th birthday here.
Yay! Oh, tree.
Tree.
This guy is amazing. Thank you for being our appointed security up here. More trees.
You're good.
Tree.
Spiky. There's spiky. No thorns on it. No
Yeah, no, we're good.
Yeah, they are, but if you go, we can go.
Uh-oh. Okay, we made it.
We made it.
We made it.
The electric wire was more scary to me, but
Oh,
anyhow.
God. Oh, well. I appreciate you trying to avoid them, too.
Right. We made it.
Y'all are so funny.
She's it's this whole day for me with you. Girl, we started early. No, you started early.
8 a.m.
She started early. She went to somebody's house.
Oh.
She went to a hut. She helped somebody carry water.
Oh.
Yeah.
Met a family. We just met someone who was helping.
Yeah. And then and remember, this is what I was saying about it's 5-star experiences.
Exactly.
Right? Like, you can't. This is priceless.
Yeah, literally. You can't pay for this.
Yeah. Y'all wrapped a tree.
Can't put a price on it.
Okay. These have thorns on them.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so like.
All right.
Lay back.
We're laying back. Oh, we're fine on this side. No, you're fine too.
We're good.
It's mainly on their side.
Actually, looks
Oh wait. Oh wait. Here comes some.
Okay, wait.
Here comes some.
Wild thorn, baby.
I'm not sure how we're avoiding these.
Wild thorn, baby.
All right.
Go ahead, you put your head down.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
Watch the thorns, God bless us.
Put your head down. Put your head down.
Okay, we're good.
Okay, we're good. We made it. These trees are vicious.
No.
They just growing thorns for no reason.
No, like who are you trying to hurt?
Ooh, here
Right.
comes another thorn on our side. I mean your side.
We're good. We're good.
Yeah. Bye, little thorns. Woo-hoo.
Oh,
Ooh.
careful. For a little thing.
Oh, we're going through the river, y'all.
I think that's good.
Let's go.
Hey, if we sink, we can jump up. Oh, look at this. Oh, this looks like Google stock photo flowers.
Like lily pads and lotus flowers and something. Okay, back from our morning hike and adventurous ride. Yes. Thank you.
I go to another.
No, I don't want to take it all. No, not all. Maybe a little couple. I'll get a couple.
This probably sit around and come from Thailand and jumped over and Bermuda and then this is other crash. This is good. Really good. I like it. You're doing everything. Everything all at once. This is ugali. What are we making? Makande. Yes.
A sort of corn, I presume.
I'm about to have calluses on my hands. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh child.
Quite the workout, huh?
If y'all not doing y'all greens like this, you ain't doing it right. Wow.
Many people don't have cutting board.
Yeah.
So I use like this.
Yes.
Everybody, all in the village here. Yeah. And there is someone who like,
Yeah. I've been on cut off everything.
I know, right? I love the creativity of what.
Whew. Okay. This is dinner. There's fries and rice and bag and spinach and broccoli and fish and beans and banana and ugali.
Ugali with the.
Hey! Ah!
Okay.
Some of the children who live here in the community.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type.